Never one
without the other.
Include servo H. This line includes the servo library which provides functions to control servo motors. Servo my servo. This declares a servo object named my servo that will be used to control the servo motor. int POS 0. This variable will store the current position of the servo motor. Void setup. This function runs once when the Arduino is powered up or reset. My servo attach 9. This line attach the servo motor to pin 9 of the Arduino board. Void loop. These functions continuously runs after the setup functions. The first for loop moves the servo from 0 degrees to 180 degrees in steps of 1 degrees. For POS equals 0, POS 108 POS equals 1. This loop increments the POS variable from 0 to 179. My servo write POS. This line sets the position of the servo motor to the current value of the POS. Delay 15. This delay allows the servo motor to reach the desired position. The delay value of the 15 milliseconds is typical for the servo motor. The second for loop moves the servo from 180 degrees back to 0 degrees. For POS 1 equals 180, POS greater than equals 1, POS equals 1. This loop decrements the POS variable from 180 to 1. My servo write POS. This line sets the position of the servo motor to the current value of POS. Delay 15. This delay allows the servo motor to reach the desired position.